Morning guys, RC Racer here. So I decided going to give it a test flight this morning of the first maiden voyage. But before I do that, I'm going to set up the helicopter. So this is straight out of the box. Got the manual battery and transmitter ready. So it might be a bit stop-start. Try and edit it all together with the camera going all wobbly there. So charge the battery. I've got 3 batteries, so I'm going to pop this in now. It's got a red dot. Let's see if you can see. Tiny, 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 but there's a little red dot on this side, which I'm guessing matches the red dot. Can you see? Blurry, blurry. Red dot there on this. So that's going to connect in. So, get in here. Red dot to red dot. Self-explanatory, I'm guessing. How hard can this be? Not like an RC car, you just chuck it in. Oh, and then it flashed blue, don't know if you saw that. So I'm then going to slide the battery underneath. I think I've done this wrong. I need to pull this out. Potentially, let's slide the battery in first. Really should read the manual. Push it all the way under. Not sure how far it's supposed to go, all the way to the end. Let's attach the red dot to the red dot side. Yeah. Batteries in flashing blue light. Now I've done this wrong because I remember that's going to put it into binding mode, so totally bodged out already. You're supposed to turn the transmitter on first before you attach this. Scrap this, start again. Hi guys, RC Racer here. So this morning's going to be the maiden voyage of my Blade Mcx2. Yeah, but beforehand I need to set it up and configure it out the box. So from what I've read, there's a manual on the right, you can tell. You've got to power up the transmitter before you do anything, before attaching any battery to the helicopter. So we've got the transmitter here with the batteries in. Just going to move these down back to the middle position. Going to just turn it on for the first time. Now, I'm going to zoom this out. I've been told from the manual, so if I want to put it in training mode for a complete beginner, I press and hold this stick on the right. Now it'll flash. That's now in training mode, so it's a little less twitchy and a little less erratic for the beginner. So I put it into training mode now. Now that's now up and running. Now I've got to configure the helicopter, so I'm going to set that to totally down. That's just normal. I'm going to have to attach the battery to the helicopter. Just going to set it up and set up the bits and pieces. So the battery in the bottom, I've slid it in already, but you basically want to take it out. It's tiny little things. So on the helicopter, there's the battery. You basically want to push it in. There's a red dot on one side of the battery, really small. There you go. And that matches the red dot on the bottom connector. So the battery slides in, pushes through till the black plastic hits the last rear battery support. So it's tucked in under the helicopter. This then connects up to the battery. I hope it's not going to go mental. So that's flash blue once. So I'm now going to put that down on the table. It's now flashing with the lights. Red light on the tail. Green light on the middle. Pretty cool. Let's go boom. That is neat. So you can fly at night. Now red's got to probably do some reading as I go along. So helicopter on the table, transmitter in my hand. First thing I'm going to do is, I don't really know, I'm going to lift this one on the left up to get the blades going. So you see the left. It's the bottom blade. Up slightly higher on the left, both blades. So then if I go left on this, now I think I'm supposed to configure this from the manual. It said looking at the back of the helicopter. So this is the maiden voyage of my blade helicopter. Let's just zoom out and let's go. I didn't like. And it's down.